Don't know, you know. I'm a lady at the first lady of reggae dancehall, and me I bring to you and you and you. What me say? Jamaica from the outside. And Jamaica from the outside. And I'm me proud to be a Jamaican. But me say all of we barriers, them are broke down. All of we barriers, them are broke down. We are one united Jamaican. It again, it a spice up the food.
Hey guys, welcome to another episode. Today we're diving into one of nature's most powerful superfoods, the pomegranate. Many of us grew up with pomegranate in our backyards in Jamaica, and maybe we didn't know the benefits. I know for sure I grew up with it and I didn't realize how beneficial it was. This ancient Greek fruit isn't just delicious, it's packed with health benefits that have made it a favorite for centuries. What better place to explore it than right here at Shane's Food Truck? Today we're going to break down why pomegranate is a must-have in your diet and show you how to turn it into a refreshing, flavorful drink. You don't want to miss this. Welcome to Shane's Food Truck. And welcome to another episode. Today I'm with Shane and Kenya at Shane's Truck. You all know Shane, he's no stranger to us, and his wife Kenya. They're both here. And today we're gonna be talking about the benefits of pomegranate. Hi Kenya.
Hi, Miss P.
All right. So what do you have there?
Today I have pomegranates.
You have pomegranates.
Yes,
Oh.
we say pomegranates.
Yes, in Jamaica we say pomegranate, but you know,
Same.
yes,
Same
yes,
different pronunciation, same thing.
yes. But I love it. It's very nutritious, very beneficial. And you know, as a child, I used to have them in my backyard. Never know the benefits, but used to just eat them a lot. Today they are so expensive.
Yes.
All right. So we're going to be looking at the pomegranate and some of the benefits, and maybe we can make some juice with it as well,
Yes, we're
Kenya?
gonna make some juice today.
All right. So what are some of the benefits of having the pomegranate, Kenya?
Oh, so many. Where can I start? You have, it helps with the heart, anti-inflammatory. You have arthritis, blood pressure, diabetes. It improves fertility in women.
Really?
Urinary health problems it can help with. A lot of potassium in it. Yes, anti-cancerous properties in it.
Wow,
So,
that's a lot.
Yes.
So, all right. So let's go ahead and see what it looks like, and
Sure.
let's get started with
get
cutting
started.
it. All right. Wow, look at that, guys. Wow. So, Kenya,
Yes.
how are we gonna? We know we can just eat the pomegranate this way.
Yes.
But there are other ways to, like, we can make a juice.
You can make a juice and you can actually blend the whole thing inside because everything's good. Actually, the skin and the pulp inside helps the most nutrition and antioxidants in it.
Okay,
Yes.
all right. So we're gonna make a
pomegranate
refreshing juice.
Little juice.
All right, let's
Yeah.
go.
Okay.
they're big.
These are good though.
Oh yes, yes. So Kenya, what are we going to be adding to this juice?
Today I'm gonna use some lime, fresh from Miss V's yard.
Okay.
And we're gonna use some ginger.
Wow. Lime and ginger.
Yeah, maybe just a little bit of spring water.
Okay. Are we going to add any sweetener?
Well, we'll see. But you can. But usually we can do like a honey.
Yes.
A little bit of honey.
That's a good idea. Yeah.
You know
Okay.
what? You don't take from it too much.
All right. So we're gonna add a little water to this and
Yes.
blend it. Okay.
Yeah, let me put the ginger down.
Yeah.
Down.
Yep.
Just gonna grate up some fresh ginger in here.
Okay.
I like ginger, so I may be a little heavy on it, but everybody, you know, just to your likings, of course.
Yes.
You can always adjust it. So start out small and add, because you can always add, but it's hard. Let's see.
So guys, we added the ginger to the pomegranate. We're gonna add a lime, and then we're going to blend it in a little water.
Lime come right now. Ooh, nice and juicy.
Yep.
Mm.
That came from my backyard.
Yes. Yes, indeed. So now we're just gonna blend. That's good.
It's good.
It's real good. It's
Yes,
different.
yes. Refreshing.
Refreshing, very refreshing. I need some ice cubes over it. And you don't
Yes.
need to add anything. Remember we were talking about honey? I like
Yes,
it just like that.
yes.
It has its own sweetness.
Okay, all right. So there you have it, guys. Our homemade pomegranate juice.
Refreshing.
All right. Thank you, Kenya. I'm definitely
Thank you,
gonna
Miss
try
Kay.
that.
Very good.
Definitely gonna try that.
Very good.
Until next time, guys. Ciao.